Hello students. So in today's session I am going to tell you the importance of always staying motivated. Friends, exams are coming closer and closer every day. What you need to do, you need to start preparing for that. You need to keep preparing for that. You have to always going ahead, one step ahead, one step closer towards your dreams, right? So what is it? What is it that is stopping you? Is it you do not have enough time? You have already lost a lot of time and you are not able to start working towards your dream? Is it that? Really? What do you have? What do you have right now? What is it that is freely given to you? That is that precious thing that you have is now the moment. Yes, this current moment, the moment while you are listening to this slide. This is the moment you have, and you are going towards it while watching it by motivating yourself. You are continuously working towards it. You need not to stop here. You need not to stop here. You have to keep pushing yourself because this is what you have. This is your asset. This is your wealth. What? Time. No matter how much you have, time is a resource. No matter what you have, how much you have, how you are going to use it will define your success, will define who you are. So all you have is now, all you have is time, all you have this moment. No matter how much time is passed, no matter how much is remaining, all you have is now. In this moment you should be working towards your dream because it is your dream, right students? So do you think others have more time than you have? It is competition. Others have more time. I'm not going to compete with them and I'm going to lose. I'm going to be a failure. This is what you think. If you are thinking this, if you are thinking this, then you are definitely going to fail because the time you are utilizing this time to demotivate yourself to think about others. I am too busy working on my own grass to notice if yours is greener. I have nothing to do with others grass. I am focused on my own grass. I am focused on my own preparation. I am focused on my own goals. These are my personal goals. I have nothing to do with other people's goals. What matters to me is what I want, what who I want to be and how my life is going to be. This is what matters to me. I am too busy to work towards it because who is going to work on it? I am. Why? Because it is my dream. I am going to water my grass. I am going to put nutrients in my grass. I am going to see happy if it is flourishing, if it is growing well, and if it is uh, having such a good spectacular view. So this is what you need to do. Others, what others have, what others do not have does not matter to you and your goal, right? Is it the fear of failure? Are you scared? Even though if I will try, I am going to fail. Even though I am going to put hard work in it, anyway I am going to fail. Is this that you are thinking? This is your thoughts towards your own goals. This is your thoughts towards your own ambitions. This is your thoughts towards your own wishes. That is a failure. Fear of failure is itself a failure. A person who did not even try is the failure. The person who is trying is never a failure. The person who is keep on trying to achieve what they want, even they can change their way of achieving it. They can change the path to achieve it. They can change the resources they are utilizing to achieve it. They are not failure. Trust me, if you are thinking like that I am going to put effort and I am going to fail, it is never ever a strategy towards your goal, right? So this is what you want your dreams to come true, you want a certain way of your life, how you are going to live, what you are going to do in future. I will not lose for even defeat. There is valuable lesson learned, so it evens up for me. So the lesson learned, you are directed towards something else or something, some other way or something more higher. When you try something and you fail, you get defeated in that case also you are being directed to something bigger, to something even higher, with higher purpose. So it is never that someone who is trying is failing. There is no failure when there is effort. So only failure is when there is no effort. There is failure is failing to put effort. Whatever goal you have, what you need to do, what is expected of you. I am not talking about what your parents want. I am not talking about what your friends want. I am not talking about what your siblings want. Whoever it is, I am not talking about them, but what is expected of you from your own self, from the higher purpose of your existence, to get up and run after it, because it is your calling. Your dreams are your calling. You need to get up and run after it. No one is going to get up and run after your dreams. It's you. You have to do that for yourself, for your own happiness, and for the happiness of whoever you want to see happy. So it is you need to put effort, you need to get up and you need to run after it. There is no point to demotivate yourself. There is no point to say that I cannot do it. Always say that yes, I can do it, I will do it, because it is my dream, it is my calling, and I am going to put effort in it. I am going to run after it. Nobody said it's gonna be easy. It's definitely not gonna be easy. Your journey, your goals, even anyone else, their journey, their goals. Nobody said it is going to be easy. Who said? Nobody said. Even you did not say. Nobody else is said. Why does it matter who is saying? Did you say to yourself that it is easy? No. You are saying it is difficult. Yes, it is difficult. It is going to be difficult, but definitely it's gonna be worth it. It's gonna be worth it, worth all the effort you are going to put, worth all the resources you are going to put. And resource, I mean, by the name resource, I mean is your time. By the word resource, I mean is your time. How much amount of time you are going to put into your goal, that is going to matter. That is going to be worth achieving your goals. How you utilize your time, how you utilize your time to achieve your goals will matter. What you are feeding your mind with, what you are telling your subconscious mind, whether you can achieve it or not achieve it. So always feed your subconscious mind by words, by optimistic words. Yes, I am going to do it. This is my dream. I am going to see myself there, doing this, living like this, and helping these many people, supporting these many people. And this is who I am. This is who I am going to be. And this is what I believe in myself. And this is what I am definitely going to achieve it, because it is my dream. End of the story. That's all. Thank you, everyone. I hope this helped you. Take care.